The Morris and Maryon project is the final phases of our redevelopment scheme in Woolwich. We had phases 1, 2 and 3 over in Woolwich Town Centre, and now we've got Morris North, Morris South and Maryon. And the overall aim really was just to continue that regeneration, providing affordable homes for the people of Greenwich. We've done that through a range of things, including dynamic design, delivery and procurement of multiple subcontractors.
I've been working on the project for about 6 years now, on and off. So the services Pell Frischmann has provided includes geotechnical services, structural engineering services, as well as underground drainage services. So Morris and Maryon has various amounts of challenges. That includes a railway line which goes straight through the middle of the site, splitting Morris North from Morris South. In addition to that, you've got a large existing Thames water sewer which runs through the existing site as well. And also the topography of the site. In some areas you've got a big steep height difference, almost about 10 meters. So a lot of challenges there, but we've overcome it in many different ways.
Affordability is obviously at the heart of everything we do, really, particularly in the current economic climate. I think it's definitely about the impact on the community from a more affordable point of view. So we're not just, a big developer that's come in to demolish everything that's here and completely change the landscape of the area. I think we're trying to create a scheme that fit into the area and obviously deliver something new, but keeping that sense of community and the sense of what Woolwich really is.
Well, quite an interesting thing about this project here at Morris Walk is the development not only involves affordable shared ownership and private sale, but also apartments and houses, covering a multitude of sizes from 1 beds through to sort of 4 bedroom apartments and houses into up to 7-person families. So we're providing smaller dwellings and larger dwellings as well. So it's quite a diverse arrangement that we are providing here at Morris Walk.
Working with a large-scale project like this one required a very organized internal team as well as good internal communication to manage efficiently the client request and the other consultants in design. Our BIM teams provided 3D models for every single structure, and these models have been regularly exchanged throughout these years between all the consultants involved to aim the clash detection exercise, providing high-level BIM service final product and optimizing the entire design process.
There is a common disconnect between the design office and site. Huge amounts of time, money and resource are allocated to the creation and maintenance of high-fidelity 3D models, only for it to be ignored and replaced by 2D drawings on site. Systems like Gamma AR allow for the 3D model to be taken from the design office onto site to be viewed as a hologram on the user's own mobile device.
Pell Frischmann is increasingly leveraging the use of visual technology in our projects, such as construction, sequencing, animation, visual reality and augmented reality. This helps us to break the barrier of communication between engineers and the contractor and the design team as well, and clients.
The Pell Frischmann team on the Morris and Maryon project are utilising Gamma AR to visualise their 3D model on site. This is reducing the risk of mistakes that occur when trying to translate 2D drawings in a 3D world. It will act as an early warning system for building discrepancies or simply as a sanity check.
AR on site with the contractor at this final stage is Pell Frischmann cutting-edge tools, the way how to improve ourselves to stay on top of what's current.
It has been a great experience to be able to combine the real construction site with the virtual 3D models while we are walking around during our site visits. So for us it's very easy now to check all the properties, geometry and position of all the components of the building.
AR in construction isn't anything new by any means, but it has been slow to be embraced by the industry due to the reliance on costly hardware. The ability to use it now on smartphones or tablets completely democratizes this, meaning we're now in a position where anyone who should have access to the model or would benefit from access to the model can on site. That's from the client, the contractors, subcontractors, even members of the public should they wish. In the very near future, augmented reality will be commonplace on all construction projects. At Gamma Technologies, we're at the forefront of this, constantly evolving with the latest technologies to ensure that we're at the forefront of this drive.